Alright, let's do a quick video on the last camera. Motion detection, notifications, blah blah blah. Tapo, it's from TP-Link. One good thing about this guy is if you have one TP-Link account, so you got a Deco or other products TP-Link account, you can use that to sign into this app. So one account to log into any TP-Link service. So let's give it a go. Motion, night vision, micro SD up to 128, local storage, okay. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, alright. This one is also annoying, also works with the AC, which is not good. It's a 9 volt, 0.6 amps, whereas the Rio is a 5 volt 1 amp. That could have been a micro. This one is not, okay. Standard mounting brackets and stuff. Okay, we're basic setup. Okay, let's give this a go. These are not practical, having power source have to be plugged in. No matter how long the cable is. Okay, let's give it a go quickly. Tapo. Right, see if our red light comes on. Okay. Let's get the app going. So I've got the app, I've signed into an account. Red light, let's wait. This one looks a bit more scary. Tap, alright. Tap, this is a... I'll be right back. 1 sec. Alright, let's come back to this guy. Sorry about interruptions. Let's see what's happening. He looks dead. Let's bring him alive. Alright, so which model did we have? I don't even know. This is a C200. C200, here we go. Power up and check LED. Okay. Right, next. Okay. Go to your phones, the tablets, Wi-Fi settings. Right, so this is a bit cumbersome. Okay. We need to connect to this guy. Okay, I'm already connected. Continue. Okay. So we set up the Wi-Fi, then this will reconnect to that Wi-Fi, and your device will reconnect to the same Wi-Fi. Alright, quite simple. And then it will leave this connection. We'll connect to the new network.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay. Right. Now go to your phone, connect to your own Wi-Fi.
Connected.
Right. Now we shall connect to our own network. And we shall see. Now it's scanning your network to find it. There we go, it's found it. Alright, let's call this garage. Right, sounds good. About local recording, right, okay. Class 10, okay. Alright, got it. Okay, cool. Features these, which we're not going to use. Okay, let's have a look at the camera. That is automatically HD, high quality, low quality, auto. Privacy mode, what's that? Right, so to protect your privacy, great, okay, exit. Okay, voice call, pan, tilt, talk, alright, pretty much similar. Have a look at pan, tilt. Oh, so this one, the entire base moves. On the other ones, the top part moves. That's a bit weird. Okay, so the bottom entire, but not the charging port. So this one is a different design. Alright, cut the audio out. Okay. Hello. Okay, that's better. Okay, that works fine. And where do you put the memory card in this one? maybe on the top. Nope, on the bottom. Yeah, it's on the bottom right there. There's a reset button too. Okay. Okay, so it's got horizontal cruise, so it keeps doing this, left, right, that's nice. Alright, that song is gonna do a copyright strike on this video. Okay, what's happening? Alright, that's about it for this, I think, and vertical cruise. Yes, I was saying that audio may do a copyright strike, so anyway, it's got the cruising mode, which is pretty cool, but it can't do two at the same time. Right, marker position, okay, that's clever. That's very clever to have sensitivities, okay. Very clever. Okay, another feature, invert, detection alerts, advanced settings, share, auto reboot. That's auto reboot is good too, sometimes they get stuck. That's a nice app too, I recommend it too, this is nice. I like the GENBOLT, a little bit more customizable, maybe more open source compatible applications for it. This is nice. Okay. And what else? Yeah, Rio Link is the last one out of all. Okay. That's about it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.